What'd you say? I didn't hear you, buddy.
I did my throat, put my head up, bouncing my head up.
Oh, what's going on?
I don't know what's in my head.
Why?
What's inside me hopping?
Something's hopping inside of you?
Yeah,
I don't see nothing hopping.
my head is shaking up.
Really?
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. Tell me if you see it happen again. Ooh, look, it's a butterfly.
Yeah, then I'll pet it.
I want to pet it. Ooh, there's another one. We're going to see a lot of butterflies. Can
Yeah,
we show you where they are?
yeah, they're in a trail somewhere.
Yeah, they're in a secret place.
Yeah, they're hiding in a trail.
I'll show you where they are.
Yeah, they're flying in the woods with
Yeah.
snakes.
Yeah, we're going to leave the snakes alone, though.
Yeah, the snakes is in those woods over there.
Over there?
Yeah, over there.
Whoa.
In those woods. In those woods.
Are those woods over there?
Yeah. No, those not woods. It's at the trail walk.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice trail.
Yeah.
Hold on. We got to get Gabe.
Mommy and Daddy and Mommy went over there. Julia went over there to walk.
Oh, yeah?
And I went over there to walk with Mommy and Julian and Dave and Julian and Mommy and Dave and me
Cool.
and Dave and Julian.
Now, it sounds like a lot of people.
Yeah.
Come on, we got to get Gabe. I just wanted to make sure whatever was inside of you is not like bouncing around anymore. Is everything okay now?
Yeah.
It
Yep.
stopped?
Yeah.
It was weird?
Yeah. My head is crazy. I'm busy.
You busy thinking?
Yeah, because something bounced around in my inside of me.
Was it making you go like,
Yeah, bouncing my head up.
you felt like it was in your throat?
Yeah,
You know what it's called?
yeah.
It's called a hiccup.
No,
You had a little hiccup.
no.
That's what it was, just a little hiccup because you were drinking your water.
Maybe I'll open one of those when my bike's here. Because there's that bike here.
Yeah, we should have brought a bike. Next time we're bringing the bikes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot. I need to bring my bike.
Oh man, now we gotta walk.
Yeah, now I need to walk.
All right, let's
I
get
don't-
walking.
Yep, I don't want walk.
Let's get walking.
Yeah, I don't want walk.
Signing off. Say peace.
I don't want walk.
Say peace.